Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook walnut shrimp. First, take about 1 pound of large shrimp, clean and deveined them, but leave those tails on for a beautiful presentation. It's crucial to pat them very dry with paper towels. This step ensures a wonderfully crispy coating. Then, whisk together 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt to create a light, airy batter. Next, let's create those irresistible candied walnuts. Begin by toasting 1 cup of walnuts in a dry pan over medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes until they release their lovely aroma. In a separate small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a boil, then add your toasted walnuts, stirring continuously until they are beautifully coated and caramelized. Now it's time to fry our shrimp to perfection. Heat about 2 to 3 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot or wok until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully dip each shrimp into your prepared batter, making sure it has a nice, even, and thin coating. Fry the shrimp in small batches for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per batch until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are thoroughly cooked. Finally, let's bring it all together with our signature creamy sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey until smooth. Gently combine the crispy fried shrimp and the sweet candied walnuts with this luscious sauce, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated. Serve your delicious walnut shrimp immediately, perhaps garnished with some fresh green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.